So, we're fishing again. We are at Deep Creek Lake, and we're vacationing here. So, yeah, I'm gonna have a couple days to fish. I'm gonna film a little bit, I think. Hopefully we can catch a decent bit of fish. I need to catch a pike. I'll only feel accomplished if I catch a pike. I also don't want to get ran over by a pontoon boat, but yeah. So I think we might head over to this cove. I don't have a net right now. I forgot mine.
Left or like straight?
Left. Forgot my net, so I think I'm gonna try to get one. Should have one by tomorrow, probably. Just a cheap one. I mean, my net already is cheap, but yep. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I don't really know how, but got something. It's picky. If he wants to get my net. Well, it's a toothy fish. It's nice to get something after getting skunked yesterday. I was really hoping he was like a pike or something though. That would have been nice. Try not to get hooked by you, Mr. Pickerel. Right. Not the desired pike, but it's something. You can tell the difference between pike, muskie, and pickerel is it almost looks like it's like chains on the pickerel. So they're called chain pickerel. Pike have more like dots, and then muskie are kind of like more gray, and they have like stripes. So, yep, first fish of the trip. Little slime dart. I'll take him. Don't want him to bite me. Let's see. Alright, yep, he swam away. I think. Bro, ain't no way it's a rock bass. It's a big rock bass though, jeez. Makes me think those other ones might have just been rock bass. Yeah. At least it's something. There's a rock bass. Kind of a weird looking fish. Thanks for biting. Oh. Yo. No. Dude, Ethan. Dude, that was a massive smallie. It like came up to the very side of my boat and took my bait, and then it came off. Bro, I don't know if the camera got that. Ah, I had him. Twice. Twice. That guy's a massive one. Yeah, that's a really nice bass. Get a weight on him. £3.23. It's a nice bass. He is a chunky guy right there. Let me try to get a picture of him. 3.23 pound bass going in. It's a nice one right there. See ya. Get it in the air. I don't really know why I even netted that. At that point I was just raising the net to it. Another pickerel. Wish it could be a pike, but you know, it is what it is. Did he get himself unhooked? I think he did, actually. Guy's got some weird, like, growth or sore or something going on in his mouth. There's probably nice, I don't know, maybe a 14-inch pickerel. Thanks for biting. There he goes. Finally caught a pike. Yes. I was trolling for a little, and then I just saw my rod go down. I thought it was weeds or something, but not a pickerel this time. Finally caught a pike. First pike ever. Happy with that. Not really a lot of pike around where I live, so that's a nice catch. northern pike. He's got some, got the dots on him like I was saying earlier. That's how you can tell the difference between him and a pickerel. I'm gonna try to get a quick weight on this guy. Or not weight, measurement. Let's see. About, looks like 20-inch pike. There we go. Finally. Alright, I'm gonna release this guy. 20-inch northern pike. He's a pretty skinny guy, but take him. Give him a nice little revive. I think he might have been on there for a while, because he was, he wouldn't really fight that hard when I was trolling. There he goes. Oh, I'm so happy. There's something. I believe it's a pickerel. A decent pickerel. Just got himself loose. It's probably my biggest pickerel so far this trip. Not as big as my pike, but a decent one. It's kind of chunky. Thanks for biting. I'll let you go in a second. Almost bit me. That was ferocious. Nice pickerel. It's a nice pickerel right there. Eat the wake bait. It's a nice pickerel right there. He's got a big mouth for a pickerel. Probably could have been a decent bit bigger if he maybe caught some more fish, but yeah, that's a big mouth for a pickerel. There he goes. Yeah, that's a pretty decent one. The trolling rod. I was just bringing it in after my trolling. Something big.
Is it big?
Yeah, it's big. Whatever it is big. It's a pickerel. It's a decent pickerel though. He was fighting hard. There's a nice pickerel.
Yeah, it's up to 21.
It's slimy. Yeah, it's a nice one. Got some free. There he goes. It's a massive perch. Dang. He's a giant. It's a giant perch. Jeez. Perch is massive. but dang, that is a massive perch. I've never seen a perch that big. Kind of want to weigh it. That's a 1.25 pound perch. Just accidentally let him go. I was trying to drop him in my net, but you saw him. That is a big perch. That's definitely my baby perch. The thing was like walleye sized. Wish it was a walleye, but 1.25 pound perch, I'll take it. It was something. I think it's a smallie. Surprisingly, my first smallie. Not a big one, but I'll take him. Probably perch was bigger than this guy. Here's a little smallie. First smallie actually here. Thanks for biting. A bit on a big crankbait for a smallie. That's something. Another perch. That guy's another massive one. He came off right in my net. He's not as big as the last one, but he's still a really nice one. These are some big perch, and they're eating a massive crankbait. Like, look at that guy. Thanks for biting. Bye-bye. There's one. Little pickerel. There's a pickerel. I'm holding him weird. Swimming at the top. There he goes. Something good. He's gonna jump. Ah! Pickerel. Ah! Dude, look at that. Look at how he ate that, bro. He choked it, bro. A decent pickerel right there. He's another one with a big mouth. He like choked my lure, but somehow he got it unhooked for himself. I guess he must have just not been hooked that bad. That was a feisty one. My camera's acting all whack, but I just got another pickerel. Another decent one too. There's another pickerel.